say I'm gonna work till I shout, till I shout. What?
Generator 1 natin 0.9 to 42 kilowatts, 59.4 hertz. Ito yung bumitaw kanina. Generator 2 0.771, 191 kilowatts, 448 volts. So 2448, 449. Power factor 0.7, mababa ang load sa generator 234, mataas ang power factor, 448 volts, same voltage, power factor ng kaiba. Around 3:30 a.m. in the morning, we experiencing a power blackout without any trace of alarms. So we check immediately our alarm and monitoring systems, but we don't have any alarm on it. So we check all the wiring connections on our power generators GE number 1. The condition of the circuit breaker was found all in normal working conditions. All LED indicators are found in normal, no error, no any trace of fault. So we proceed and check all the settings. We have the II, which was set about 16. Our IR 930 amperes. Our IL have 1.1. TL is set by 25. Our ISD is set with a value of 2.5, and TSE is set by 0.4. So anything and everything are intact. IP is 1.0. Our circuit breaker is charged, and we check also the frame size with 1250 amperes with IR maximum rating of 1250 amperes. And this circuit breaker are made by Mitsubishi. We compare those settings from generator 1 and generator 2. Both of them have the same, so we verified that the cause of power blackout are not coming on the circuit breaker. As you can see here, we have green LED light on our GE1. This 40% indication is appeared when the load of our power generator takes about 280 kilowatts with a power factor of 0.861 with 449 volts and 59.5 to 59.4 frequency. As compared with our power generator number 2, it has 0.901 power factor and 190 kilowatts. We proceed on our power generator GE number 2, and we verified it has 1800 revolution per minute, and the digital signal indicated 1798 revolution per minute. And we proceed also on our generator number 1. The analog signal indicates 1800 revolution per minute, but the digital output signal indicates only 1130, sometimes become 1227, 1115. So we verified that our RPM pickup sensors giving a false signal. So we are agreed to stop the power generator number 1 causing a power blackout, and check further the condition of our RPM pickup sensor. So we compare the analog and digital display. Our digital display sometimes give a variable values. So we decided to take out the RPM pickup sensor, check the surface, do a maintenance on it. We clean, remove some oil, some moisture on the surface, and we perform a maintenance on each terminals. As we see, the condition of the plug connector are not so good, so we clean it by a contact cleaner, wipe with a soft rags, clean with pressurized air, and then we try to inspect the other side of male and female plug connector adapter. As we check it thoroughly, we found that the two terminals are loose, but we try to put back it with a good insulation, and we run it, but unfortunately, as we run it, only the digital output value are indicated and the analog output values for the RPM are not indicated. If this is happen, once you start the generators, the generator will not continue to run. Since the RPM failure is triggered and alarm comes, the generator will not continue to run. We decided to remove the faulty plug connector adapter, and we put a normal terminal strip with a wire, and we do simulation and run the generators without the load. On this simulation, we are able to run the generator normally, so we decide to replace these connectors, put some terminal lugs and screw it properly, and we talked with the chief engineer and the second engineer to purchase an urgent requisition on our faulty sensors and defective terminal connector plug, the male and female connectors. So we hand over it with our chief engineer, and as you will see, I just put a terminal connection with electrical tapes. On this time, we are in hurry because we need to run the two cranes. On this condition, we managed to operate the two cranes and the two generators running in parallel, and we keep eye on it to check and monitor the load 193 kilowatts with a 0.801 power factors. So this is our generators with double pressure of 10 bars on analog, global temperature of 90 degrees Celsius, and revolution per minute of 1800 revolution per minute, and our cooling pressure of 1.4 bars. And we compare on the analog output signals, it has a value, RPM is 1800 for analog, but on the digital output it has only 728 to 730 revolution per minute with loop ball of 7.1. And as you will see, we confirmed that our RPM pickup sensors is faulty. Loop oil has a pressure of 7.2 bars, coolant pressure HT 3.8, LT 1.4, coolant temperature of 96 degrees, global temperature of 91, with our starting air pressure 28, battery voltage of 24, and fuel oil pressure of 4.7 bars. We also proceed on our generator number 2. This generator number 2 has no problem, and it has low oil pressure of 10 bars, low oil temperature of 85 degrees Celsius, RPM value indicated 1750 RPM, and cooling water pressure of 1.5 bar, and cooling temperature water of 86 degrees Celsius. So as compared on analog with the digital output, from analog 1750, from digital we have 1804 RPM. The loop oil pressure is having 7.5, HT 1.8, LT 1.5, temperature coolant 83, loop oil temperature of 91, charged air temperature of 27, starting air pressure 28, voltage of battery is 24.7 volts. So this is 1 and this is number 2. This is number 1 before, having problem on it. We put temporary insulation plastic, and this is our RPM sensor installed on generator number 2 with no problem. So inside of the this is our engine control room. We are running now 2 generator, 1 generator having 0.91 power factor, 0.992, 144 kilowatts, 4.9 volts. Generator number 2, 0.921 power factor, 170 kilowatts. So we are running 2 crane. So that's it, guys.
And others
I hope that you've learned
to bring
something on these electrotechnical videos I have created. Have a good day to all of you. God bless. Please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel so that we can make another video for your learning. I hope that while watching the technical videos I created, we enhance our knowledge and we get something that we may use while on board ship. Since we don't have a spare on board, we order a new RPM pickup sensor, 2 pieces with an urgent requisition. So we expect that our company will supply us as soon as possible so we can install a new sensor on our DG1 having a problem on it. Thank you very much once again. God bless you all.